I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing the band and powering the watch off. This prevents shorting and accidental inputs. Once done, warm the front with a gentle heat source to soften adhesive. Aim for about 60 to 70 degrees Celsius and shield the sensors with tape so they don't get damaged. Make sure you're on an ESD-safe mat and have a small tray for screws. Now position the suction cup near the edge and get ready to separate the display slowly. Don't rush the first lift. You'll open the case by lifting the heated screen with a suction cup and sliding a thin pick to cut the softened adhesive. Lift 1 millimeter at a time to avoid cracking the glass. Once the panel is slightly open, use a spudger to disconnect the display and digitizer flex cables. Remember the connector order and orientation, and store screws by location. Remove adhesive residue with an isopropyl swab, then transfer any metal brackets or sensors to the new screen before laying it down. You finish by applying fresh adhesive strips to the frame and aligning the new screen precisely over the case. Press firmly along the edges and give a short warm cycle to help the bond set. Reconnect the battery as the final internal step, then power on and verify touch response, display uniformity, and sensors. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Power off, reopen, and check each flex connector for proper seating and any debris or torn traces. Often a receipt or gentle cleaning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.